Achieve bakery results at home with Steam Bake, or crispy, perfectly roasted meals with Steam Roast in your Frigidaire wall oven. Here are some tips to get you started. When prepping for steam cooking, first make sure to check that your oven is cold. Then, based on your oven and use and care manual, slowly pour water into the bottom of the oven cavity or steam tray, if available. Do not add water if the oven is warm or during the steam bake or steam roast cycle. Next, follow your recipe for preheating, cook time, and temperature. Cooking with steam means more moisture will be present than conventional baking or roasting, so keep in mind this could cause condensation on the handle or in the oven door. Steam Bake is recommended for baking fluffy and flavorful breads and pastries with improved browning, a higher rise, and flaky crusts. To set your oven to Steam Bake, touch Oven Modes and scroll to Steam Bake. Touch Next and follow the Steam Bake instructions for setting the temperature. Then, touch Start and set your desired cook time. It's best to wait to set the cook time until after the oven has preheated. When using Steam Bake, use a flat rack and see your use and care manual for recommended rack positions for the best results. Steam Roast is recommended for roasting meat or poultry that results in a crispy outside and juicy inside. To set your oven to Steam Roast, touch Oven Modes and scroll to Steam Roast. Touch Next and follow the Steam Roast instructions for setting the temperature. Then touch Start and set your cook time. When cook time ends, the oven automatically turns off. When using Steam Roast, make sure to refer to the rack positioning tips found in your use and care manual. When you've completed your meal and are finished cooking with Steam Bake or Steam Roast, refer to your use and care manual for simple and safe cleaning instructions. Whether making delicious meats or buttery baked goods for your family, Steam Bake and Steam Roast are great options. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit www.frigidaire.com.